It's a terrifying feeling. You're enjoying a relaxing dinner with friends when suddenly your friend begins to choke. What should you do? In this video, we'll look at some causes for choking, how to prevent it, and what to do if you or someone around you starts choking. According to the American College of Emergency Physicians, about 4,000 adults and children die from accidental choking each year. But what does it really mean to choke?
Choking means that you get something lodged in your airway so that you can't get air in. The body doesn't get enough oxygen to the brain. It can cause you to turn blue, and it can ultimately even cause you to die from lack of oxygen.
People begin to choke for a number of reasons. Eating too fast, failing to chew food completely, trauma to the face or head, or alcohol consumption. The best way to lower the risk of choking is to always chew your food slowly and completely when eating. However, if you feel yourself beginning to choke, you should grab your throat in the universal sign for choking to alert those around you that you need help. If you notice someone near you choking, you should take several steps.
If anybody's choking, the first thing you do is just assess their breathing, and if they're coughing vigorously, stay with them and encourage them to continue to cough, because they're most likely to clear the object by coughing themselves. If they're no longer able to cough, if they're not able to move air well, they're starting to turn blue or becoming unconscious, those are the times that you should intervene.
That means you should perform the Heimlich maneuver. Stand behind the person and wrap your arms around their waist. Make a fist with one hand. Place the thumb side of your fist just above the person's navel, well below the breastbone. Grasp the fist with your other hand. Make quick upward and inward thrusts with your fists. Continue until the object is dislodged or the victim loses consciousness. If the choking victim does lose consciousness, lower them gently to the floor and call 911, or have someone near you call 911. What should you do if you're choking and there's no one around to help? You can perform the Heimlich maneuver on yourself. Make a fist and place it just above your navel. Grab the fist with your other hand. Bend over a hard surface like a chair or a countertop. Then shove your fist inward and upward. Children are especially prone to choking, so keep a close eye on them when they are eating and be conscious of foods that could be a choking hazard.
Children's airways are so small that common things that you and I wouldn't choke on can be a choking risk for children. Foods like hard candies, popcorn, peanuts, raw fruits and vegetables can lodge in a child's airway, or softer foods that are just the right size like hot dogs and sausages. Choking hazards for children really is anything small enough that it could fit through a toilet paper tube. Would be small enough that a child could choke on it.
Many toys have parts or pieces that children can choke on as well. Always check the box to see the recommended ages for a new toy and keep children in your sight while playing.
The best way to prevent choking is just to make sure that children aren't exposed to things, can't get things in their mouth that they can choke on.
If a child does start choking, there are special steps you need to take.
If it's an infant, you would want to hold the infant down so their head is down lower than their body, and hit with the back of your hand in between their shoulder blades, doing 5 back blows. And then you can turn the child over. You put 2 fingers right in the middle of their breastbone and press down and do 5 chest compressions, alternating between back blows and chest compressions until they dislodge the object or become unconscious and you have to start CPR.
If an older child is choking, alternate back blows with the Heimlich maneuver. Again, if after a couple of minutes you aren't able to dislodge the object, call 911. Timing is everything when someone is choking. Knowing what to do is vital to helping you save a life. Check out the website seen here to learn more about the steps to take when someone is choking.